Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will demonstrate how to transfer USDT from get.io and Binance safely and step by step. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to log into your get.io account. You just have to log in first. You can visit their app or also visit their website to log in. Once you are logged in using your email, password, your country or of residence, enter your referral code and then tap on to sign up to $10,000 person commission. You can also log in if you already have an account. Here you can see I will go with my Google account. So complete the instructions and log in. Find USDT in your list of assets and select it, then tap withdraw. You will be transferring USDT out of get.io. Now the step 4 is open your Binance account and log in. So after logging in, search for the USDT, then click on deposit. Select the correct network. It is crucial that the network on Binance matches the one you want to choose on get.io. Basically, TRC20 is commonly used. It is fast and has lower fees. So now you have to tap onto the option deposit transfer, and now your money will be transferred. And TRC20 is usually fast and ERC20 might take longer and cost more in fees. You can track the withdrawal status in your get.io transaction history and check the deposit status in your Binance wallet. After a few minutes or longer, log into Binance, go to fiat and spot, and you should see your USDT balance updated. And that's it. That's how you can transfer USDT from get.io to Binance securely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.